5 high-protein tacos ready in 20 minutes or less. Tacos are the busy cook's savior. They come together in a flash, and it's crazy simple to make a big batch for a crowd, or to supply you with an abundance of lunch leftovers. And with the right blend of ingredients, like clean proteins, health-boosting spices, and crunchy fresh veggies, you get a meal that's both nutrient-packed and delicious. Try one of these 5 clean and quick taco recipes for dinner tonight. 20-minute salmon tacos with quick cabbage slaw. When it comes to seafood, wild salmon is about as close to perfect as you can get. It's high in health-boosting omega-3s, low in toxins such as mercury, and sustainable, too. Pair it with crunchy cabbage and creamy avocado in these fresh tacos from Real Food Whole Life for a simple, filling meal. Here's the recipe. Black bean tempeh tacos. Tempeh, a plant-based protein made from fermented soybeans, can be a little intimidating at first. But it's a nutritional powerhouse, rich in complete protein, fiber, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Give it a whirl with these savory tacos from the Garden Grazer. Turkey taco lettuce wraps. Swapping out tortillas for lettuce saves you loads of calories but adds tons of fresh flavor and satisfying crunchiness. Add in this colorful turkey-based filling from Cooking Classy and you'll have dinner on the table in no time. Here's the complete recipe. Easy vegetarian taco cups. Meatless Monday has never been easier. Just stuff your trusty muffin tin with tortillas, refried beans, cheese, and nutrient-packed spinach, then pop in the oven for 10 minutes. The final product is perfectly portioned and seriously tasty. Here's the recipe from Rachel Cooks. And check out these other meals you can make in a muffin tin. Fish taco lettuce wraps with mango kiwi salsa. Paleo dieters can get in on the taco action, too. These summery lettuce wraps from Heartbeat Kitchen feature protein-rich cod, peppery radishes, and a gorgeous homemade salsa with sweet fruit, lime juice, cilantro, and shallots. Here's the full recipe.